How to fix HelloFresh box not arriving. Here, the very first thing that you actually need to do is track your shipment. For that, you can open your HelloFresh application, and then from here, what you're gonna do is simply tap on My Menu, and then you'll be able to tap on your current box in order to locate the carrier tracking details. For example, it could be FedEx or the UPS or everything, right? So you can track your shipment like that, and after doing that, if it's not working, then second thing that you want to do is simply tap on the tracking number to inspect whether the logistical delay notifications you get or not. So after checking your carrier update too, thirdly, try to inspect your delivery spot, check all of the porches, side doors, and also garage doors or even building lobbies, and see if you do find your order there or you do find your delivery there. So after doing all of this, if it's still not working, then try to report your missing box. If the delivery date has passed, you can actually open your HelloFresh application, and then from here, if you simply tap on the settings icon right here, you'll actually be able to get that help tab. Tap on that help and get into contact us, where you can actually report a box not received to request a full refund or credit, and I'm pretty sure that way you'll be able to fix this issue.